Please welcome Michael. Hey, Sean.
Well, my full name is Michael Chukwuebuka. I'm a jet guy, I'm an outgoing guy, you feel me? I'm literally shine your eye, like I take it as it comes, you understand? You know? Could you read me a bedtime story? I'm an artist. Girl, you got me so excited when you undress. You get what you like, give it right back.
Yeah, your girlfriend.
Yeah. Jackie,
Okay,
stop playing with me though.
Fine.
Like, come
Do what
on.
you ask me.
Quite the contrary. No guy in here is a so we're not doing that. I'm like a balance, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I'll be chilling, sometimes I'll be turning up, you know, it just depends on the occasion. Freeze up the ice in my cup.
Baby, I deserve an answer.
You owe Michael biscuits.
Yes, sir. I have a request to hear one of my songs at a party. Oh, that's my song. Yo!